I got a response from Satyashree that everything is all fine. Thank you, beta. So, students, first of all, I want to tell you that since after February, almost 7 to 8 months, I'm on this channel and feeling very happy to connect with you all once again. So, students, I welcome you all on this session of engineering mathematics, and this is a Sunday special series, and in this particular session we are going to discuss some most expected 8 areas from where we can expect question in upcoming GATE exam. So I believe most of you are aware of my face, and yes, I can see Raghuram also. Hello Raghuram. So students, yes, I have something to reveal before you as well. So that I'm going to do in a short while from now. But let me tell you, thank you Chandrasekhar. Shubham, detailed course is going on, and I'm coming up live with one more series. Tell you all the information regarding that series very soon. Of course, Raghuram, now signals and system as well as engineering maths will go hand in hand on this channel. Definitely. So, students, is everything all fine regarding the audio and video? Am I audible to all of you? Can I have a response from all of you? Definitely, Chandrasekhar will do that. Okay. So, students, once again, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep Post Comprehensive Competitive Program. Students, in this particular session, we are going to discuss some very important topics and related questions on engineering mathematics. This is Ankit Joshi, and I'm having a teaching experience of near about 19 years. And my subjects of interest, as you can see on the screen, are engineering mathematics, signals and system, and analog circuits. Friends, I can assure you best of the concepts of engineering mathematics and signals and system, and of course analog circuits in English as well. So students, thanks a lot for coming to this session. I request all of you to share the link in all your contacts, and please like this session so that everyone understand the gravity of the session, and I will understand this liking as just your presence by marking your attendance. Thank you, Madhu. Thanks a lot. Students, these are some few announcements for you. You can see three legends, Amin Sir, Rakesh Sir and Abhinav Negi Sir. They are coming up live on 15th November. Yes, at 8 p.m. You can join their session on BYJU'S Exam Prep. So this will be helping you how to ace GATE 2023 very quickly. Then one more very important session that is coming live on 5th. Yes, that is coming live for all EC electrical and instrumentation free GATE crash course. So of course engineering mathematics would be there, all other subjects would be there, and you will be enjoying it more. So here addition is instrumentation branch is also there. Students, you can see any legends, legendary faculties, experienced faculties all in one frame. So this we have done just to enhance your preparation. So students, have a look over this. We are moving to the next. Chali. Then on have a workshop for 24 aspirants on our app from 15th November to 22nd November. We are having All India Open Mega Mock Test for GATE 2020. You can appear for this and check your preparation, and you can just identify yourself where you stand in your preparation, what all things you need to do extra to enhance your preparation. So students, here comes our first question. All set? Have you all liked the session? You all hit the like button? क्या सभी ने like button hit किया है? Chali, let's start. So all my dear students, let's understand, only 8 questions we are having here and one homework question. Okay, yeah, and I am having an announcement for you that on, yes, from coming Wednesday onwards I will be coming live at 5 p.m. to enhance your preparation for mathematics. So 5 p.m. from coming Wednesday, just note this date and time. Students, this particular question is from system of equations. For what values of k, system of equations x plus y plus 2z equal to 1, x plus y plus 2z equal to 1. Second equation is x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 5. Third equation is x plus 3y plus kz, x plus 3y plus kz equal to 7. So all my dear students, they have given us this system. Now, whenever a question appears before you from a system of equations, students, what you can do, check the right hand side. If right hand side is not equal to 0, then we can say that this is a non-homogeneous system. कौन सा system है? This is a non-homogeneous system. For non-homogeneous system, we have the format ax equal to b, and where right hand side b is not in, x plus y plus 2z equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 5, x plus 3y plus kz equal to 7. Now all what you need to do, you have to write the augmented matrix. What you have to do, you have to do the consistency check. What we are going to do next, for such type of systems we are writing augmented matrix. What is the format for augmented matrix? Sir, augmented matrix is, Anji, augmented matrix is C denoted by C, A colon B, C, A combined with B, C, A combined with B, A combined with B. Now what is A? See here, A is the coefficient matrix. Hello, A is the coefficient matrix. A is the coefficient matrix. A is the coefficient matrix. What are the coefficients of x, y, z here? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1. What is the third row? 1, 3k, 1, 3k, 1, 3k. Yes, AB de Villiers. What happened? 1, 3k. What is the right hand side? 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. Okay. Now students, I'm just reiterating the process before you. So this is a matrix which is having 3 rows and 4 columns. So of course, this is not a square matrix. It's a rectangular matrix. So just skip one column from the right side, one column from the right side, and just mark the principal diagonal. So we have marked the principal diagonal, and now we are going to make these elements below principal diagonal as 0. We will make these two elements as 0. But how? We have to apply elementary transformation. What we prefer? We prefer elementary row transformation. I am going to perform R2 tending to R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. Then R3 tending to R3 minus R1. Okay, sir. What we will get? We will not get C. We will get a matrix equivalent to C. Once you have done elementary transformation, your matrix has lost its identity and it will become an equivalent matrix. Is it? Am I audible? Just comment everyone. And those who are having some audio issues, can you please refresh your system once? Now it's fine. Okay. So students, have you done any change in row number 1? No. So row number 1 will remain as it is. What you have done to row number 2? Hello, what you have done to row number 2? R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 will be minus 1 will be 1. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 5 minus 1 will be 4. What you have done to R3? R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 1. Then we have K minus 2. Then we have 7 minus 1 as 6. Again, I am going to mark the previous. And this time we are going to make this position 0. In order to make this position 0, what we need to do? We have to perform an operation in row number R3. R3 tending to R3 minus times R2. So equivalent to C. I need your responses, not in terms of answer. So 1, 1, 2, 1. First row, no change. What about second row? 0, 1. What about third row? R3, R3 minus 2, R2. 0, 0. K minus 2 minus 4 will become K minus 6. Then we have 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. Now students, if you observe this entire matrix, then this is matrix C. This is matrix C. So in this matrix C, how many non-zero rows you can see? 1, 2, 3. Because of this minus 2, third row will be non-zero in matrix C. So number of non-zero rows in this matrix C are 3. So rank of C will be 3. Rank of C will be 3. Now if you observe only this much portion, this is equivalent to A. Equivalent to A. Only the portion to the left of this dotted line. So rank of A. Rank of A. Generally denoted by row. So how many non-zero rows you can see here? So students, if this K minus 6 is not equal to 0, then this row will be 3. If this, yes, for K minus 6, for this position not equal to 0, rank of A will be 3. It means when K is not equal to 6, rank is 3. So rank of C is already 3. Rank of A is when K is not equal to 6. Can we say that when K is not equal to 6, rank of A and rank of C are equal? They are equal to number of variables X, Y, Z. Yes, and that's why here at rank of C equal to rank of A equal to number of variables equal to 3. Therefore, system will have unique solution. Unique solution for what? For K not equal to 6. So when K is not equal to 6, system will be having unique solution. Do you all agree with me? All values of K except K equal to 6 will give us what? Unique solution. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you. So this question was related to non-homogeneous system. So students, I want to brush up your concept regarding this non-homogeneous system. Please see here. If Ax equal to B is a non-homogeneous system, okay, then we will be writing an augmented matrix. What is the format for augmented matrix? Tell me. Just now we have used A combined with B, A colon B. Apply transformation and find the rank of matrix C and matrix A. If I say rank of C is equal to R and rank of A equal to row, and if I say number of variables are n, of course different procedure AB, of course different procedure. So that's why in the beginning itself I told that first identify whether it is a homogeneous system or non-homogeneous system. Now please see here. Please concentrate. What was the procedure for this consistency check of non-homogeneous system? If rank of C equal to rank of A, that is R equal to rho, then we have got two possibilities. Number one, we must say that system is consistent. If rank of C equal to rank of A, then system is consistent. But consistency means two types of solution: unique solution and infinite solution. Okay, unique solution for what? R equal to rho equal to number, and infinite solutions for what? R equal to rho less than number of variables. Understood? Am I correct? Case 2. If R is not equal to rho, if R is not equal to rho, then you have to say that system is inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. Okay. So students, this is just a briefing for what? This is a briefing for consistency check. I hope you all remember this and the new students will be enjoying this. This was non-homogeneous system. On the other hand, if, yes, of course, if you have a homogeneous system, how to identify, sir? Ax equal to B. Homogeneous system is Ax equal to B, but that B is a null matrix. So you are going to get Ax equal to 0. Okay. Now, since this right hand side is 0, we can say that it is a homogeneous system. For homogeneous system, we have two types of solution possibilities: trivial solution and number 2, non-trivial solution. Trivial solution means zero solution, where all the variables are 0, all the unknowns are 0. Non-trivial solution means non-zero solutions. So trivial solution means zero solution, non-trivial solution means non-zero solution. When you are going to have trivial solution, when determinant of A is not equal to 0. When you are going to have non-trivial solution, when determinant of A is equal to 0. So these conditions you can check in advance. Vinay Kumar, rank of the matrix can be obtained by methods: echelon form and minor method, and that I may have a separate session, maybe from Wednesday. Yes. Students, this is just a briefing for homogeneous system. Is that clear? Let's move ahead. Next question. Next question before you. They have given you a matrix. Matrix is A. 1 0 2 4. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix. Students, how many eigenvalues will exist for a given matrix? First of all, keep in your mind that eigenvalues exist only and only for square matrix. If someone asks you the eigenvalues of a matrix, that is a blunder. You can have the concept of eigenvalues square matrix. number of eigenvalues existing for a given square matrix. Number of eigenvalues for a given square matrix that is exactly equal to the order of the matrix. We will be having two eigenvalues for this. Let us say the eigenvalues are lambda 1 and lambda 2. Lambda 1 and lambda 2. Okay, because this matrix is having order 2 cross 2. Now, this is a lower triangular matrix. Yes, this is a lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix or an upper triangular matrix, diagonal matrix. Eigenvalues are exactly the principal diagonal elements. Eigenvalues are 1 and 4. So for this matrix, eigenvalues are 1 and 4. Now, in this question, they have given us one more matrix by this representation. So students, I will be denoting this by f of a. मैं इसे denote करूंगा f of a से. F of a is 4a inverse plus 3a plus 2i. Okay, so eigenvalues of f of a are 4. Sorry, this is f of a. Eigenvalues of f of a. Before this, I will be putting a equal to lambda. So 4a inverse means 4 by lambda, then 3 lambda, and 2i will become 2. Is that very clear? I have done what I have done. I have first replaced by lambda because I am having a property saying that matrix A has eigenvalues lambda 1 and lambda 2. Then matrix represented by f of a will be having eigenvalues f of lambda 1 and f of lambda 2. So if you observe here, then matrix A is having eigenvalues 1 and 4. So we can say that yes, this matrix f of a has eigenvalues f of 1 and f of 4. All of you comfortable? F of 1 and f of 4 are the eigenvalues of this matrix f of a. So in this f of lambda, you can put lambda equal to 1. Okay, sir. F of 1, Anji, 4 by 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Very good, sir. Then f of 4, 4 by 4, 1, 1 plus 12, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So, bachcha log, 9 and 15 are the eigenvalues of question number matrix 4a inverse plus 3a. Is that very clear? Moving to the next. Of course, but that is not needed here. That would be a lengthy approach. Now, here, in this particular question, they have given us f dash x equal to 8 upon x square plus 3x plus. This is f dash x. F of 0 is 1. F of 0 is 1. And the lower and upper bounds of f of 1. Lower and upper bounds of f of 1 estimated by mean value theorem. Okay, so they are asking for the lower bound and upper bound of f of. So students, clearly, yes. Clearly, this question is coming from Lagrange's mean value theorem. And I will move to the next frame. Will explain you the concept of LMPT and then again coming back to the question. If f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b, differentiable in open interval a comma b, then there exists at least one point x equal to c which belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash c, that is slope of the tangent at x equal to c. F dash c means slope of the tangent to this curve at x equal to c is equal to the slope of the chord joining the points a and b, that is f of b minus f of a minus a. So this is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Now students, they have already given you f dash x. So let us just replace this x by c. 8 by c plus 4. F of b, here a and b, here a is 0 and b is 1. So 0, b is 1. So f of 1 minus f of 0 upon 1 minus 0. बच्चा लोग, हाँ जी, very good. F of 1 is unknown to us. F of 0 is given as 0. F of 0 is given as 1. F of 0 दिया है 1 and in denominator we are having 1. So all my dear students, f of 1 can be written as 8 upon c square plus 3c plus 4 plus 1. अपना दामन भी न छूने दे मुझे, अपना दामन भी छूने दे मुझे, ना चाहूं इजाजत न मिले. 8 questions are just like this. F of 1, 8 upon c square plus 3c plus 4 plus 1. Now c belongs to the interval a comma b. C can be anywhere in this open interval. It means lower bound for c will be a and upper bound for c will be b. Okay, so a is nothing but 0 and b is nothing but 1. Okay, my dear students, or right here, c can be anywhere between 0 to 1. Okay, sir. So when c is 1, what is f of 1? When c is 0, what is f of 1? Understood my point? So when c is 1, 8 upon 1 plus 3 plus 4. So this will be 2. And when c is 1, when c is 0, 8 by 4 plus, that would be 3. Easily we can say that f of 1 beautifully lies between 2 to. Understood? I'm not getting response from everyone. Are you not following the session? Hello? Can I have a response from everyone? Let's see how many of you are genuine students. You have started giving response. So option A is the correct one. Let's move to the next. So this particular question is from vector calculus. Students, we need to find closed loop integral. Let's put a symbol for closed loop also. A vector dot dr vector, and they have given you a vector also. What is that a vector? 2y minus y square I cap. Then we have 2x plus y j cap, where C is the closed curve of the region bounded by these two parabolas. Okay, these two are the parabolas. Maybe aware of that. All my dear students. What we can do? We can find out dr. dr in two dimension will be dxi plus dyj. Okay, sir. I will just hide myself for few moments so that complete screen will be visible to all of you. Now I will find out a dot dr, because a dot dr is required in this integration. Of course, Madhu will do that. 2y minus y square dx. I dot I will be 1. I am just taking the dot product of these two. Dot product कैसे होता है? Dot product will be carried between similar components. So 2y minus y square into dx, 2x plus y into dy. Okay. So students, this is nothing but m dx plus n dy. So can we say that m is 2y minus y square? Yes, sir. And n is 2x plus y. Yes. Yes. Can you find out del m by del y? Can you find out del n by del x partial derivative? Now, can you find out the difference between them? Del n by del x minus del m by del y. When you take the difference, 2 minus 2y will be nothing but plus 2y. Yes. Just have a screenshot of this. I will be coming right back on your screen. This is our x-axis. This is y-axis. We have got two parabolas, x square equal to y and y square equal to x. X square equal to y will be a vertical parabola. May be aware of this. And y square equal to x will be a horizontal parabola. Is that clear? Nothing but y square equal to x. This one is x square equal to y. I hope all of you are agreed with this. Now, when you solve these two parabolas equation together simultaneously, you will get the coordinates of O and A. Coordinates of O will be 0, 0. Coordinates of A will be 1, 1. Okay, sir. Comfortable? Now, students, this is the bounded region. Sir, what is the Green's theorem we have? By Green's theorem, students, if you are integrating over a closed loop m dx plus n dy, then this closed loop integration can be converted into a region based double integral. Closed loop integral can be converted into region based double integral using Green's theorem. And here as integrand we have del n by del x minus del m by del y, and here we have dx and dy. Now all my dear students, m dx plus n dy, please see here. A dot dr is nothing but m dx plus n dy only. and del n by del x minus del m by del y is nothing but 2y. I'm taking this 2 out. Y is here, dy and then dx. So students, I have decided to integrate first with respect to y. Then I will integrate with respect to x. Let us find out the limits of y and x from the region we have drawn. So to determine the limits, we have to draw strip. If we want to integrate first with respect to y, we have to draw a strip parallel to. This is P, this is Q. P point lower limit and Q point will give you upper limit. So P point is lying on x square equal to y. So what is the value of y here? Y is x square. Y1 is x square. Now Q point is lying on this upper parabola. Yes. So from this parabola, what is y? Y will be root x. Now the endpoints of the strip will give us the limits of first variable. Now when you slide this strip from O to A, you are getting the limits of the second variable. So on point A, x coordinate is 0. At point A, x coordinate is 1. X1 and x2 will be nothing but 0 and 1. Now this is very simple now. S2 is already out. Outer integral is 0 to 1. Integration of y will be y square by 2. I am taking this 2 out. Limits are x square to root x. Then what? Ashok, that we will once again learn in multiple integrals. We'll definitely arrange a session on multiple integral as well. 2 gets cancelled. Y square. Y square means root x square will be x. X square will be x raised to 4. I'll just give you the briefings for the same also. Integration of x. Anji, limits 0 to 1. This is finally 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. Lower bound is 0. So we will be getting 3 by 10 as the answer. 0.3 is now. Ashok bhai, in this question, I have decided to first integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. So since I first wanted to integrate with respect to y, I have drawn a strip parallel to y-axis. If you have decided to integrate first with respect to x, you would have drawn a strip parallel to x-axis. So here we have a strip parallel to y-axis because we want to integrate first with respect to the limits of first variable. Endpoints of this strip will give you the limits of first variable. Ashok, this is for you. So P point is lying on this black parabola. From this parabola's equation, this equation, what is y? That you write here. Y is x. Q point will give you y2. So Q point lying on this purple parabola. From this equation, you have to find y. What is y? Y is nothing but root x. As I said that the first variable, it's a first variable obtained from the endpoints of this. Now, for the second variable, you have to slide your strip. If your strip is vertical, then the second step is horizontal. So we are sliding this strip from left extreme to right extreme, left extreme to right extreme, just like the sliding window of your house. So PQ, when PQ comes at O, what is x coordinate? 0. When PQ comes at A, what is x coordinate? 1. Zero and 1. Is that clear? How we have determined the limits. I hope the concept may be clear to you. Ashok, Thank you. So actually, students, when we talk about multiple integrals, the overall multiple integrals is divided into two categories: double integrals and triple integrals. And when I teach multiple integrals, I teach four types of double integrals. Four types of double integrals. Number one, direct method. Number two, change of order. Number three, region based double integral. And number four, double integrals using polar coordinates. So we can have a separate session on double integrals covering. We will require 2 to 3 sessions to have a command on multiple integrals. Okay, if you require. For triple integrals, we have two separate varieties that will be covered easily in one session. And then we have the applications of multiple integrals to calculate area and volume. Of course, in the semesters we have seen center of gravity, mass of the plate also in multiple integrals, but that is not the part of your plate for GATE exam. Multiple integrals is relevant. Area and volume as the application are significant, and the four different ways to determine double integral: direct method, change of order, region based double integral, and polar coordinates. Okay, when we talk about this particular question, this question is based on line integrals using Green's theorem. Green's theorem, yes, Naveen. We have questions ahead relevant for you also. That you can just wait for a few more moments. When we talk about Green's theorem is the special case of Stokes theorem. Okay, so when Stokes theorem is projected on 2D, Stokes theorem is relevant for 3D. When Stokes theorem is projected in 2 dimension, we are going to get Green's theorem. And once you apply Green's theorem, the very next step is to require double integral. So which type of double integral you require? We require third variety, that is region based double integral. So in this particular question, we have drawn a region, and once you have the region, you can assume any order of integration as per your convenience and define the limits, accordingly integrate, and then get the answer. So everything is not so simple as it appears, but it requires a lot of effort, especially for the students at this stage. This particular question is based on differential equations. Students, whenever dependent variable and derivative term are multiplied together, it is not a linear differential equation. This is a non-linear differential equation. This is a non-linear differential equation. Okay. So I will check whether this can be converted into linear or not. So for this, you need to first ensure the right hand side. I am having a format in my mind. Is that format? F dash y by dx plus pf of y equal to q. Students, p and q are purely functions of x, or they may be constants, but they cannot be functions of dependent variable y. P and q cannot be functions of dependent variable y. So all my dear students, on right hand side, there should not be any terms of y. There should not be any terms of dependent variable. So this cos y is not allowed here. Cos square x is allowed on the right hand side, but cos y is not allowed. Why? Because on right hand side, I am expecting q, and q is purely function of x. We should not have this cos y on the right hand side, and that is the reason why I am dividing by cos y throughout this equation. So tan y divided by cos y. So tan y divided by cos y. So 1 upon cos y will be nothing but sec y. Then we have dy by dx and plus 1 upon cos y is sec y. Tan x is already there. Cos y gets cancelled. We are having cos square x. Now students, Can you please confirm? Have you all understood this step? I was having this format in my mind. I am thinking about this format. F dash y dy by dx plus p f of y equal to q. This is one of the format which can be reduced to linear differential equation. Okay. So we cannot have any function of dependent variable on the right hand side. Here dependent variable is y, independent variable is x. So we should not be having terms of y on the right hand side. So we have divided by cos y throughout the equation, so that cos y can be eliminated, can be removed from the right hand side. So cos y is now eliminated. We are getting tan y sec y dy by dx. Then we have tan x sec y cos square x. Students, have you all ensured q on the right hand side? क्या आपने right hand side में q ensure कर लिया है? Have you all ensured q on the right hand side? q पक्का हो गया right hand side में? Yes or no? I need comments यार. So we have ensured q on the right hand side. After ensuring q on the right hand side, just observe the coefficient of derivative term. If it is constant, if it is a constant or a function of independent variable, if it is a constant or a function of x, then divide by that term throughout the equation. If this is a constant or function of x, then divide by this term throughout the equation. But not function of x, this is not a constant. So what do you have to do? Now you have to observe the middle term. बीच वाले term देखेंगे. And in the middle term, what is function of y? In this middle term, what is function of y? Sec y. Put this sec y equal to v, some other variable. Differentiate this with respect to independent variable. Derivative of sec y. Sec y tan y. Again by chain rule, dy by dx equal to dv by dt. You can put this in equation number 1. यहाँ पर substitute करेंगे. In equation 1 we are going to substitute this. So tan y sec y dy by dx is dv by dx. Tan x into sec y, tan x into v, tan x into v. Hello, what is right hand side? Sir, right hand side is cos square. So you can compare this with dy by dx, p by dx plus pv equal to q. So p is the v is the dependent variable, p is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, p and q are functions of x, independent variable. So here p is nothing but tan x, q is cos square x. So to solve this, you have to find integrating factor. You know the integrating factors formula? E to the power integration of p dx, e to the power integration of p. p कितना है भाई? p is tan x. Integration of tan x is log sec x. E and log gets cancelled. You will be getting sec x. Now I am going to write the solution for the same. अब हम लिखेंगे solution. So solution is dependent variable. How? Solution starts with this word. What should be the wordings? Dependent variable. What is dependent variable? V into integrating factor equal to integration q into if dx plus c. Let's put all these values. V is sec y. See here, sec y. if is sec x. Q Q is cos square x. See this, cos square x. Are you all enjoying? Hello, students. Are you enjoying? Are you following? How is the Josh? IF. Sec y. Sec x. Thank you. Hanji. Sec x is cancelling. Shiva Sai Charan. Thank you, beta. Sec x is cancelling one cos. So one cos will be remaining. Integration of cos will be sin x. So what kind of answer they are having? They are having answer in terms of sin y and sec y. Okay. So let's put sec y here. Divide by sec x throughout the equation. Sin x upon sec x will be sin x into cos x and sec. Okay. Sin x common, sin x plus this. चेक करो भाई कौन सा ऑप्शन है, विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. sec y equal to cos x, sec y equal to cos x, sin x plus c. Option B. Yes, very good. Okay. I am just not interested in the solution. I am also interested in the process, and that's why I explained. I told you in the very first step, divide by cos y. But why we are dividing by cos y, that is also important. Next, which of the following differential equations is parabolic? Students, see here. Please concentrate. A del square f by del x square plus B del square f by del x del plus C del square f by del y, and some more terms. Leave it. So if you have this second order equation, then the very common type identity, सबसे common question क्या होता है? It is based on its type. So the very common question, the most common question is based on its type identification. Okay. So what do you have to do? You have to just find out b square minus 4, b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0 or equal to 0 or greater than 0, then we have three different types: elliptical, parabolic, and hyperbolic. So you need to check this b square minus 4ac, and based on that you can comment whether the equation is elliptical equation, parabolic equation, or hyperbolic equation. So again, after knowing all these things, I have seen students committing mistakes in actual exam. How to avoid that? How to remove this confusion? Students sometimes confused in the exam. Square minus 4ac equal to 0, equal to 0, ellipse. Equal to 0 के लिए ellipse था, greater than 0 के लिए क्या बोला था? So they are getting confused during the exam. So when you are getting confused, you say oof, I say if. When you are getting confused, you say oof, I say if. So my if spelling is something different. I will draw a number line like this. So middle value is 0. On the left side of this will be less than 0. On the right side of this will be greater than 0. So this is my logic to remember. You need to just remember if p less than 0, p equal to 0 and h. Arey bhai, on a number line, we have first negative values, then 0 and then positive values. E, P, H, follow this sequence. Okay? Yes, sir. Now, the three common equations we have. Heat equation. Not getting response, wave equation, and you say some Laplace. Heat equation. And wave equation. C or C square can be constant. Can I have a response? Yeah. Laplace equation. Students, these are the formats. What we are expecting? Parabolic. Parabolic equation. Parabolic equation means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Yeah, parabolic means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So for this equation, see here, for this particular equation, this double derivative is having coefficient c, and other two double derivatives are missing. So b and c, b and capital C equal to 0. When you calculate b square minus 4ac, understood? You will get b square minus 4ac equal to 0. For what? For the heat equation. So we can say that heat equation is giving you parabolic solution. Yes, so heat equation will be our answer. Dimensional equation is wrong. Next, all of you comfortable with the concept? क्या यार आप respond नहीं करते हैं? You are not at all responding. Are you getting tired? Just one more question, two more questions. That's it. Of course, this is the lengthwise largest question. This is Bayes theorem. In a test, an examiner either guesses or copies or knows the answer. Acha. Guesses. Copies or knows the answer. In a test, an examiner either guesses or copies or knows the answer. To a multiple choice question with 4 choices. Acha. 4 choices. Huh? The probability that he makes a guess is 1 by 3. For one question, an examiner has got three possibilities: guesswork, copy the answer, or he may be knowing the answer. So probability that examiner guessed the answer is probability that he copies the answer, probability that he knows the answer. The probability that he makes a guess is 1 by 3. Probability that he copies the answer is 1. So P of G plus P of C plus P of K will be 1. So P of K will be 1 minus addition of these two. That will be 1 minus addition of, okay. 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. The probability that his answer is correct is correct. So correct answer we are denoting by T. Second layer point. Probability that his answer is correct. Probability that his answer is correct. Given that he guessed that answer. Probability that his answer is correct given that he copied that answer. भाई करेक्ट के लिए हमने टी लिखा. Probability that his answer is correct given that he guessed the answer. Probability that his answer is correct provided he have copied that answer. Probability that his answer is correct given that he knows the answer. Are you all following this? Stands for correct answer. So probability of getting his answer correct given that he has guessed that answer is 1 by, okay, probability that his answer is correct given that he copied it is 1 by 8. So this middle value is 1. Probability that his answer is correct given that he copied that answer is 1 by 8. Probability that he guessed his answer is correct after guessing. So there are 4 options. Out of 4 options, when you apply the guesswork, there is 1 by 4 is the probability of getting it correct. There are 4 options and you are applying a guesswork. What is the probability that the correct answer is obtained? 1 by 4. No response. And when someone knows the answer, or knowing the answer, what is the probability that it will be correct? Once you know the answer, probability will be 1. There are 3 paths to get the correct answer. So in the first path, we are getting correct answer T along with guesswork. In the second path, correct answer along with copied. Correct answer with he knows the answer. So this is a joint probability. Joint equal to marginal into conditional. This is marginal and this is conditional. P of G into P of T given G. 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. P of T intersection C. P of C into P of T given C. 1 by 6 into 1 by 8. P of T intersection K. P of K into P of T given K. So that particular examiner can get a correct answer by addition of these 3. So probability of getting the answer correct. Addition of these 3. 1 by 12, 1 by 48, 1 by 2. Okay. 48 is the LCM. 29 by 48. Okay, sir. Now what they are asking, the probability that he knew the answer. Hello, probability that he knew the answer, even that he got correctly answered. Even that his answer is correct. What is the probability that he knows the answer? This is Bayes' theorem. Hello. Given that his answer is correct, what is the probability that he knows the answer? That is the question they asked. What is the question? क्या question पूछा है? Given that his answer is correct, what is the probability that candidate knows the answer? P of K given T. This will be T intersection K upon T intersection K is 1 by 2 how much you are getting. Of the best of these total profit. This option B is correct one. I hope you would have enjoyed. Only those will enjoy who are getting it. Have you all hit the like button? One last question is on your way. This question is based on numerical integration and Simpson's rule. If we integrate, okay, f of x is given. Five x cube minus 3 plus 2 from x equal to -1 to +1. Lower bound is -1, upper bound is plus. Using Simpson's rule with h equal to 1. H kitna lena hai? H is 1. We know that b equal to a plus nh. Okay, sir. So 1 equal to -1 plus n into 1. We can clearly say that n will be 2. So number of subintervals will be, n will be number of subintervals, na? N will be number of subintervals. What is n plus 1? N plus 1 will be number of entries. So there will be 3 entries. So this is x. Let us say this is f of x. Lower bound is a. A is -1. Now adding h to this, you have to add h to this. -1 plus 1 will -1. 0 plus 1 will be 1. Now you have to put -1 in this function. इस function में -1 रखिए. So what you will get? -5, -3, -8, -8 and -2, -10, plus 1. Can you please check? Am I correct on this? Putting x equal to 0 will give you 1. And putting x equal to 1 will give you 5, -3, 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 1. Is that clear? Yes. So x and f of x. We have got this. Got this. Now, just a matter of 2 minutes only. Now, just numbering of the students. You know, these values of x are called as arguments. Values of x are called as arguments, and f of x are called as entries. So first entry is denoted by y0, second entry is denoted by y1, third entry is denoted by y2. What is the formula for one third rule? Simpson's one third rule का formula पता है क्या? Have you all aware of the one third rule formula? H by 3. First entry plus last entry plus 4 times entries whose suffix is not even. Then 2 times entries whose suffix are even. Wow, sir, wow. But in our case, we are having -1 to 1 f of x. H kitna? H is 1. 1 by 3. First entry plus last entry. Anji, -9 plus 5. Plus 4 times. Only y1. 2 times nothing. Y1 is 1. 1 and 1. And here we have nothing. So 1 by 3 minus 4 plus 4, 0. This answer to this question is comfortable. Okay. Okay. Yes, Madhu is trying to. Yes, of course, is there. We'll let you know the class when I will be taking. Definitely. This is a question for your understanding level. Whether you have prepared this or not, I don't know. Just a question for you. I just thought of giving this question as homework. So let us assume this question is homework. Comment your answers in the comment box and just try this question. You can collect the PDF. Hello, you can collect the PDF of this session from my Telegram group, Electronics by Ankit Joshi. Hello, I can comment you. I can comment the link of my Telegram group in this particular session, YouTube sessions comment box now. Just wait. Just wait. So students, yes, Madhuvamshi, that is important. So from this Telegram group, you can download the PDF of today's session. What is the date today? 13th. So 14th, 15th, 16th. From 16th November. 16th November. That would be Wednesday. Timing is 5 p.m. I will be live on the same YouTube channel with engineering maths test sessions. Okay, so just have this information with you. I will be coming live 16th November, Wednesday, 5 p.m. 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th. 4 days you will be having live session. Yes, around 1 hour. Okay. So thanks a lot, students, for your beautiful presence in this session, and I hope you would have enjoyed this. I request all of you to share the link of this session in all your contacts so that everyone can get the essence of the topic I explained in today's class. Thanks a lot, students. Love you all. Take care. Stay happy. Stay safe. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.